When the work pressure on the booth level officers in Tamil Nadu increased, they hired college students to upload voters' details into the Election Commission website. The students were learned to have paid 1000 rupees per day. But this has caused a serious security breach. The outsourced workforce got uncontrolled access to the mobile application meant for the use of booth level officers. Who knows whether political parties use these youngsters for manipulating the voters list? Let's delve into this serious issue. I am T.A. Amiruddin, and to explain this important issue, we have the New Indian Express Bureau Chief Pon Vasant and reporter Praveena S.A. with us. So Praveena, let's talk about the issues BLOs faced in this massive exercise. You met a lot of BLOs, and some of them are not properly trained in carrying out their work as BLOs. And you also mentioned about college students are being hired to upload these forms online. So can you mention some of these, the ground level realities which you met with?
Yeah. So when this SIR was began, everything was smooth. Like the BLOs, only on that day they were trained. They were given training. Before that, only the EROs had training. That is what said from the BLO. So only on that day, when the enumeration forms were began to be distributed across the city, from morning to evening, the BLOs were given training on what they are going to be doing on the field. So that's the first thing that has gone wrong already. But even though the BLOs were convinced, because they didn't expect this much at the beginning, because they didn't expect applications having changes day by day, time to time. They didn't expect that. So for first time, it was like smooth process. They felt like, okay, we're going to go to door by door and we are going to give a form, and then we are going to scan it into the BLO app. That is what all expected by a BLO. But going on, there were lots of changes that was coming on in the BLO app. There were lots of instructions that were given to BLOs day by day by conducting meetings. There were no written circular or something. No written instructions were provided to these BLOs. These BLOs were already having a pressure of using a smartphone, because most of them have never used a smartphone, or at least they have only used it to call or maybe a WhatsApp. They have never went into an application, a government application or something. So they have never used it, something like that. So it is already adding on to their pressure actually. So at least for 10 days they were actually distributing the forms. It was going on like that. At that time, they didn't expect on the 11th day, in Chennai Corporation, what it happened was they said the BLOs can sit in the camps where the people can come and provide the filled in enumeration forms. At that time, there were lots of filled in enumeration forms started accumulating, and these BLOs, when they tried to capture it on the BLO app, the app also got tired, and the
They
glitches
stopped working.
stopped working. So there were lots of glitches was faced during that period, and BLOs couldn't do it as fast as they could. So because of the app is also going under repair or something. So at that time, it got complicated. Everything is getting piled up. The work is getting piled up. So at the last minute, what it happened was they couldn't take up the pressure. So most of the forms were bundled it as shifted, absent, maybe as said by the BLOs, they would have bundled it up like that, and it was given to the college students, is what said by many of the BLOs actually. So these college students were engaged as volunteers. More than a volunteers, they were also paid. So I'm not very sure they can be called as a volunteer or what. Per day 1,000 is what said by one of the BLO. So they were hired, and bundles were given to them, even to take them to homes. They used to took all the bundles to home. They sit one night, and they used to upload all the forms in the BLO app, which is designated for the BLO who should actually access it. So because of the pressure that BLO also had, because they couldn't find at at a time, the ECI said that they also have to try to contact the shifted residents. So they were trying to get contacts of the shifted residents, trying to contact them. The pressure was increasing, the workload was increasing. And at a period of time, the public was told that they need not fill the 2005 electoral rolls in the enumeration form, which was mandated earlier. But between the enumeration phase itself, they said that the public need not fill. But the BLOs were asked to sit and fill those
Forms.
unfilled 2005 rolls. So the work pressure was getting piled up for the BLOs. So at this, moreover, with these college students taking all these forms to the homes, they used to sit on night. They while they log in, they need to get a OTP from BLO. All throughout the night, these BLOs will be asked OTPs. So they have spent sleepless nights during this enumeration process.
Okay.
Which is really
those
sad.
the college
Yeah.
students who are hired to help them, basically
Yeah.
they have given them sleepless nights.
Yeah.
Because college students, one would imagine that they probably had other work during the day and
Yeah.
they could be night owls who are want to finish the process.
Yeah.
I want to just to add.
And-
Yeah, sorry. Please go.
And it was also said in some of the booths that the bundles have gone missed. So many of the students, they used to take it. When it is also workload for them, I think they might not return it or something. So that it never reached the ERO's table back. EROs or whoever gave it, I am not very sure about it. So their table, it didn't come to their table back. So ultimately, those voters were deleted as shifted, deceased. I have even seen a live person being marked as deceased. And ultimately, the blame falls on BLOs, stating that you have marked them as deceased. But actually, the BLOs haven't done all the work. At last minute, most of the works, we can't say most of the works, part of the works were given to these college students, which kind of messed up. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
So to add to that, we also should realize how severe this issue is in terms of the integrity of the process, because BLOs have very well-defined roles and responsibilities, and they also have powers in the sense to mark a voter as shifted, absent, duplicate, or deceased and everything, right? And you are delegating that to a college student who is basically accessing the BLO app on behalf of a BLO, can do anything the BLO can also do, right? There is a lot of room for, I'm not saying that manipulation would have happened or misuse may have happened. Who knows, like if the college student is used in turn by a political party, if a BLA had access to that, they could have complicated or manipulated the process as well, right? So nowadays, I think many apps where security is of importance. Even now, I think on WhatsApp, they introduced a feature, right?
Yeah.
If the SIM card is in the same number, only then you can activate it. But it is sad that the BLO's numbers can be used from other phones also. Only the app is needed. If you are a BLO, I can install the app.
That is the case.
I can put in your number. You will get an OTP. If you share the OTP, I log in. And I can access everything that you can access.
Secure space.
Yeah, for a critical exercise, one would imagine that there is, additional layers of security that, yes, from a workload point of view, they wanted to distribute it because the timeline was too short. But this is also an example of how the gaps in terms of the integrity of the process. Yes.
And let me remind you that this discussion is based on a series of stories published by the New Indian Express reporters in Tamil Nadu from January 18 to 24 that took a data-driven deep dive into the deletion of 97.4 lakh voters in the state. The link to all these stories are given in the description. In the next video, we will explore how Election Commission arbitrarily deleted voters from the roll using two reasons, absent and shifted. Thanks for watching.